Hi, my name is Sarthak and I'm one of the designers from Sahil and Sarthak. We are a Delhi-based design studio and we specialize in designing products, furniture as well as interiors. Well, the inspiration behind the product itself triggers the use of collaborating with artisans. For example, as the name suggests, the product is called Pookalam chandelier. Pookalam is basically a traditional flower mosaic done during the festival of Onam in Kerala, which is a state from south of India. And since it was the inspiration was so traditional and rooted in our culture, it would have been best if it was executed by using local and traditional skills.
Our craftsman actually right now that we are working with is a traditional craftsman that works as silversmith. He used to make vases and bigger installations that were given away as a wedding gifts, but at the same time he is looking forward to newer markets because he doesn't have a kind of a market to sell his products, and so we are helping him with creating newer lights, newer products for the lifestyle which is right now present in India. From different regions, we have craftsmen coming from east of India, from south, from north. For example, the Pookalam chandelier actually is made in New Delhi. In the past 40 days, we've been doing it continuously to do something as big as this because we have never done an assembly of product as big as this in past 40 days together.
The artisan who did the Pookalam, we worked with an artisan who's basically a silversmith. Since the local market is no longer there for the artisan, he is experimental, he wants to experiment and try out new things. So it was a perfect collaboration in that sense. And in terms of artisans, we collaborate with artisans on a pan-India basis. We work with artisans. One of our products, we've shown the long pipe pottery. The artisans working on that collection is from the northeast part of India, from Manipur. The artisans who worked on the Pookalam is from Delhi and nearby areas. We work with artisans from Kerala for another collection, so on and so forth.
We really like the Be Open initiative because this is, I think, the first time that all the Indian designers who have been showcased maybe internationally have now been put together back in their country in the right space, because we have always been participating in exhibitions internationally, but there has never been an exhibition in our own country which could do this for us by putting all the designers together. I think that's a wonderful thing.
Interestingly, there are designers who are showcasing in this exhibition with whom we have showcased in international design fairs like Milan Furniture Fair, but in isolation from each other. This is the first time in India we are designing under one, we are showcasing under one roof together, part of a same exhibition. And also there are no Indian pavilions anywhere else in the world, in the international design exhibitions. So again, probably internationally also this is one of its kind. The architecture is significant because we've already shared some of the images with on our Facebook page, and inevitably we have received response that what is this space, where is this space? These are people living in Delhi and they cannot recognize this space. So it is an amazing job that has been done. The makeover is phenomenal.
The Be Open Foundation's initiative on this exhibition in India will definitely take Indian design more towards the international space. People will start looking at Indian designs and products not only as a country where you can manufacture, but also as a country where you can buy products from.
In terms of what we are planning to do for the future, our objective is to project India and the Indian design fraternity as a place to add value to the product, not only a place to manufacture, and that is what probably we want our designs to imbibe. So what we bring to the table is much more. We bring that freshness, we rediscover a culture, and probably in the process we are rediscovering the hidden inspiration of a future society.
In terms of our future of the company, Sarthak Sahil Design Co., we have been very closely been working on sustainable materials, sustainable way of working. So we would like to stick to that. And it was a difficult time when we started in 2009, but I think year by year, it's getting internationally as well as in India recognized the efforts we're trying to do towards creating products in a more sustainable way, and we would like to stick to that.
Our most popular collection is the Katran chair collection, the Katran furniture collection, which is basically hand-woven chairs using upcycled cloth waste. This collection is very close to our heart because it's a perfect example of how ethnicity and ecology can be interwoven with the contemporary demands of our society, and it also means good business at the end. So it's simple but it's consistent, and it imbibes all these values in a seamless manner.